Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode where we explore the latest trends in wellness and self-care. Ever heard of silent walking? If not, you're in for a treat. It's the latest trend that's taking the wellness world by storm, and for good reason. Silent walking is more than just a walk, it's a journey into mindfulness and tranquility. So what is silent walking? It's simple yet profound. You walk alone, silently, without talking, and most importantly, without any gadgets. Imagine a walk where your only companions are the rustling leaves and chirping birds. No phones, no earphones, just you and nature. This disconnection from technology allows you to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. It's all about focusing your attention on your surroundings, which can help reduce stress and bring you peace. The simple act of walking in silence can be incredibly therapeutic. Now let's dive into the benefits. There are so many reasons to give silent walking a try. First up, silent walking makes you positive. It's a natural mood booster. If you're constantly busy and stressed, a morning walk amidst nature can transform that negativity into positivity. The fresh air and natural surroundings can work wonders on your mental state. Spending time in nature clears your thoughts and helps you stay calm. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind. Next, it boosts mental health. Our minds are always occupied, and the constant buzz of notifications doesn't help. This can lead to memory loss, anxiety, and fatigue. Silent walking offers a break from this mental clutter. This can lead to memory loss, anxiety, and fatigue. Silent walking gives your brain a much-needed break, helping to reduce these issues and save your energy. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. Moving on, silent walking promotes creativity. When your mind is calm, it can run freely towards new ideas. Without distractions, you can focus on any issue for longer, improving your creativity and work focus. Without distractions, you can focus on any issue for longer, improving your creativity and work focus. This uninterrupted time can lead to breakthroughs in your thinking. Walking gets you moving, making you feel active and healthy. Silent walking in particular helps you shake off fatigue and inspires new thoughts. You'll find yourself more motivated and ready to tackle the day. You'll feel more energetic and productive. Finally, it improves concentration. Regular silent walks without distractions help you focus better. By dedicating time to your well-being and nature, you enhance your concentration skills, which boosts your productivity both at work and in life. This focused time can be a game changer for your daily tasks. Remember, while silent walking offers many benefits, it's not a cure-all. Combine it with a healthy lifestyle to keep health problems at bay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.